Good morning, all of you. I am Assistant Professor Kutte Akshada from SLT Engineering and Research Center, Evla. Welcome to online lecture series Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is polycarbonate. What is polycarbonate? It is a production of polycarbonate. The main polycarbonate material is produced by the reaction of bisphenol A and phosphogen. In synthetic polymers have gained today such importance that the modern lifestyle cannot be imagined without them. Most of synthetic polymers are in the form of plastics and rubbers. Plastics are the substances of very high molecular weight. They are easily molded with the aid of pressure, heat and molds. The rubbers are also such type of molecules. The synthetic polymers are useful as a substitute for metals, wood, cotton, and wool, gums, glass, conductors, insulators, and ceramics. The most important of the synthetic polymers used on tonnace cells are polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, nylons, polyesters, polyacrylonitriles, styrene, butadiene rubbers, butyl rubbers, etc. What is it? What is polycarbonate? Polycarbonate is a lightweight, high performance plastic that possesses a unique balance of toughness, dimensional stability, optical chirality, high heat resistance, and excellent electrical resistance. These are the examples of polycarbonates. Properties of polycarbonates. Polycarbonate derived from bisphenol A is a very durable material. Although it has high impact resistance, polycarbonate derived from bisphenol A is a very durable material. Although it has high impact resistance, it has a low stretch resistance. Polycarbonate has a characteristics high impact strength. It has very high tensile strength. It is transparent refractive index 1.58. It dissolves in organic solvents and alkali, not resistant to UV. It is a thermosoftening plastic but has heat and flame resistance. Its specific gravity is 1.2 gram per cubic centimeter. Temperature 330 minus 350 degrees Celsius. Next, applications of polycarbonate. In various places, polycarbonate are used. In many appliances, electrical appliances, polycarbonate are used. Polycarbonate is used as bulletproof material for windows for vehicles and housing of unbreakable tough cabinets, covers, etc. Electronic components, construction materials, data storage, automotive, aircraft, and security components. Medical applications. It is used for molded domestic wear, helmets, covers of vehicle lights. It is used as insulator in electronics. Polycarbonate is used as for handles of screwdrivers, for pillars, etc. Polycarbonate is used for housing of apparatus. Polycarbonate is used for CD and DVDs. In automotive, the polycarbonate are used in the to prepare the parts of cars, bikes, cycles, etc. And in security components, polycarbonate are also used for the sensors in the cinema halls, malls, etc. In medical applications, in medical region, polycarbonate are used to detect the many diseases. Polycarbonate has very high tensile strength and it is mechanically also strength and strong. It dissolves in organic solvents like alkali and not resistant to UV visible lights. It is used for covers of vehicle lights, helmets, etc. It is used as insulator in electronics. In electronic components, these are the electronic components such like as sensors, chips, memory cards. In construction materials, polycarbonate are used. In data storage, CDs, DVDs, pen drives, etc. In automotive, aircrafts and security components. In medical applications from the MRI machines, etc. Thank you.